In this video, I will show you how you can check if your AirPods are charging or not. Now, to do that, just simply plug in your AirPods into charge, and after you do that, you will see this LED light up on your AirPods case. Now, this LED indicates that your AirPods are charging. Now, this LED might eventually go off and it might blink occasionally. Now, if you want to check whether the AirPods in your AirPods case are charging or not, just simply open the lid of your AirPod. And after you do that, you will see this pop up on your iPhone screen. And over here, as you can see, it is showing that our AirPods and our AirPods case are charging. Now, if I unplug our AirPod from charge, as you can see, it is showing that our AirPod is not charging. Now, there is also another place to check whether your AirPods are charging or not. Now, for that, let's go to settings. Now, just make sure that your AirPods are paired with your iPhone. And after you do that, you will see the name of your AirPods in the main settings page. Now just tap on the name of your AirPods. And after you do that, you will be able to see whether your AirPods and your AirPods case are charging or not. Now as you can see, it is showing that our AirPods are charging, but our AirPods case is not charging. And this is how you can check whether your AirPods are charging or not. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.